In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Pipedrive. Exporting your data is really useful if you want to do deeper analysis, share information with your team, or simply keep a backup of what's in your CRM. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the fastest and simplest way to export information from Pipedrive, using the built-in export option directly from the list view. First, open Pipedrive and navigate to the list view of the data you want to export. This could be your deals, your people, or your organizations. Think of the list view as your spreadsheet-style overview of records. If you don't see the list layout right away, look for the option to switch to list view at the top of the page. Once you're there, you'll see your items in rows and columns, which is exactly what we want for an export. Before exporting, it's a good idea to make sure you've applied any filters you need so that you only export the records that matter. For example, you might filter for deals in a specific stage, people from a certain region, or organizations created this quarter. The export option will respect whatever filter is currently active in your list view. Now, look to the top right corner of the list view and find the icon with 3 dots, often labeled as More. This is where Pipedrive keeps extra actions and tools that don't fit directly on the main toolbar. Click that 3-dot More icon to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, choose the option called Export Filter Results. This tells Pipedrive you want to download the data that's currently visible based on your filter instead of the entire database. It keeps your export focused and prevents you from ending up with a massive file you don't really need. Once you've chosen to export, Pipedrive will ask you which file format you prefer, CSV or Excel. CSV files are very flexible and work with almost any data tool, while Excel files open directly in spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel. If you're not sure which one to select, CSV is usually a safe default, but pick the format that best fits how you plan to use the data afterward. After selecting your format, a prompt will appear with a download button. Go ahead and click Download. Your file will be generated and saved to your computer, usually in your default Downloads folder. From there, you can open it, share it, or import it into another system as needed. And that's it. You've just exported your data from Pipedrive using the fastest method available.